So Carlos, Meg and Dan are sharing some sweets. We've got some sweets. We don't actually know how many they've got, but we do know some stuff. So if we start organising this work a little bit, if we just put the sweets in the bowl, trying not to maybe just eat one ourselves, and we think about setting up the problem algebraically. We've got Carlos, Meg and Dan sharing some sweets. Meg has got 3 times as many as Carlos. We could do this by trial and error, but it's never a good idea. What we want to do is set up and solve an equation, or in this case actually an inequality, because we're looking at no more than 95. It's not equal to 95. So if we come up with an expression for Carlos, let's just be unoriginal and call it x. We know that Meg has got 3 times as many as Carlos. So that's going to be 3x. For every x that he's got, she's got 3 times as many. And Dan has got 5 less than Meg. So whatever Meg's got, take off 5. Now, we then know some stuff about these. We know that between them, this and this and this has to come to no more than 95. No more than 95 means it's got to be less than, or it could be exactly, so including 95. That's one way of looking at it. The total of those, that plus that, can come to less than or no or equal to 95. But it could also come to, if we think about collecting our like terms, simplifying our algebraic expression, we've got x and 3x, that's 4x, and 7x, take 5. Now if we put these two things together, we have an inequality to solve. 7x take 5 is less than or including 95. 7x is less than or including 100. X less than or including 100 over 7. If you haven't got a calculator, 100 divided by 7. 7s into 1 goes 0. 7s into 10 goes 1, remainder 3. 7s into 30 goes 4, with 2 left over out of 7. So x is less than or including 14 and 2/7. I could work that out as a decimal, but dividing by 7 is never very nice, and I don't need to answer the problem. The question I'm asked for, remember, what is the maximum number of sweets that Carlos here, this big fat froggy, that he could have? Remember, they've got no more than 95 sweets. So we know that he's got less than or including 14 and 2/7. Well, he can only eat a whole number of sweets, and so he's got to have 14 maximum. Except Carlos, I've just eaten one. You haven't got 14 anymore, mate. You've got 1 left. Sorry.